up, guys? My name is Ken, and today we're gonna be giving people a little whipped cream dessert.
Stop it! What the fuck?
Yeah. It's okay.
Bruh.
What was that?
I love it.
Hey. I'm gonna go and hide her.
You need to cut it.
He told me to do it. He told me to do it.
Go find my sister though.
Hi, your sister.
She's the one in the purple two-piece.
Is she gonna get mad at me?
No, do it. You too.
Camera, so you're telling me that your boyfriend's out there in the water and he wants to get pied? We're gonna do it, we're gonna do it. We saw our boyfriend go into the water and we're gonna pie him.
Please tell me you're gonna smack that in somebody's face.
Fuck yeah, man. You ready for this,
Oh,
dude? Dude, you wanna help me pie him? It went all over me.
You are a morbid
Your girlfriend told us to do it, man.
Oh, okay.
You're just so chill with it. What?
I think I go back and swim now.
It's up to you. Do you want me to prank your friend? And when she walks out, I'll hit her with it. You want me to do it? All right. So... All right, man. So watch. You just maybe keep it on them and chill. Now you have a good dessert right here.
Thank you. What's up, everyone? I just got pied in the ass by Book of Ken.
You're a good sport. You're a good sport.
That's so funny. Oh, it's all over my hair, right?
It's okay. You're a good sport.